Hello, in this session we'll be learning about Vuforia engine and installing Vuforia engine with Unity. For that, first go to Vuforia, developer.vuforia.com and go to the downloads, and within the downloads click on add Vuforia engine to Unity project. So before that it would be asking you to log in. So for that, create an account, go to register, fill in the details and then create an account accordingly. So I have already created an account. Before creating an account, you need to verify the account which you have just created. For that, you will be receiving an email mentioning all the details. Once you have created your account, to log in, click on login. Now, go to the download section and add Vuforia engine to the Unity. Click on the agree and it will be downloaded. So, after this, go to Unity, right click in the assets and click on import package, custom package, and go to the downloads or the location where you have just downloaded and add Vuforia. Open. Now add Vuforia package, click on import. This might take some time. If something pops up like that, just click on update. So once that you have added the package, you will be seeing this resources folder and some editor folder in your assets. So go to resources, click on Vuforia configuration, and for the app license key, we'll go to the Vuforia our this dashboard, and then we'll create a new license key, get development key, and then you can name it as anything. So I'll do it as test. I'll confirm. So I have created the license key. I'll go and I'll copy the license key and I'll paste it here. So the license is configured. Now I have to add some of the target manager. So target manager is something like you have some images which should be recognized by our Vuforia engine. So those will be coming under target manager. So for that you can add database. I'll show it to you. So I will now test with 3 different images to show you how this will work. First I'll have device, database, AR watch. You can name it anything we want. We'll click on create. Now a database is created. Now we will add the images. First I will add a target, which is a single image. So I will choose desktop. Now I have IP resources. Now I will select rocks. Okay, I'll give it it is a unit in the Unity where I will keep it as 4 units. I'll keep it as rocks name and I'll add. It will show you as uploading the target. Here you can see now I click on thing rocks, I'll get 5 star. This means how better is the image, how better it can recognize the image. If I click on show features, it will show different features with which the image can be identified. Now I will upload another image. This is image but with less features. Still I'll keep the images. So the target will be uploaded. Here, compared with the logs, image 3 has less rating because when you click on this, when you inspect the features are not great as the rocks. Rocks has multiple features, but this has just only the image around the image. Now I'll show another one which will be having no features at all. This is a blank image. So this is a blank image. I'll keep this a bit 4, and after uploading, as you can see, the rating of this image is 0 because there are no features at all in the image. When if you try to show the features, there are no features because there is nothing to see. This is how we will be adding targets. So with these targets, now you can use them in the Unity. Now I'll click on rocks and I'll download the database. You can click on Unity editor so that we can export into Unity very easily. Download. It might take some time depending on the object targets. Now it would be compiled and it would be downloaded as Unity package. Now I will go to Unity and now I'll go and import a package. Okay. I'll import this one and click on import. So as you can see, there are some things added into our assets folder again. Now I'll go to Vuforia configuration. Okay, this is done. Please make sure that the license key is added. Now as we have already added a Vuforia engine package, now I'll keep AR camera because our application is a augmented reality application. I'll keep it as like this and I'll delete the main camera because we don't have use. Now you can just drag and keep it on the top hierarchy. Now I will add Vuforia image target. So basically this image target shows what is the image and where our cube should be overlaid. This complete video is to make you familiar with the Vuforia engine so that I'm not directly skipping into the AR watch part. Instead, I'm making an image target and how a cube, a basic cube which we have created in the first tutorial, how we can superimpose that on the image. So the image target will be from the database as I have imported the database. So the database name, AR watch and a rock. This is the target. This add target is if you don't have the database, then it would be redirecting it to the developer.vuforia engine. As I have already database, so I won't be adding add target. Now I need to make image as a parent of cube. That means cube should be child of image. So that now if you see the image target, now that you have added the image target and a cube as a child of the image target, you can see the image target is too small. So what we'll do is we'll make the cube also a small thing and we'll make it on the top of image. Okay. So scale the cube accordingly. I'll scale it to something around 0.1, 1, 0.1. Click on image target. So the cube, just bring it on top to it. Now the cube, wherever you feel it comfortable, keep it accordingly. Now that even 0.01 seems to be quite big comparatively. So I'll try to scale the image targets itself. So that I'll make the cube as 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. I'll make cube again. Now my image and cube are perfectly overlaid on each other. So I will save the scene. So once that you have achieved the same thing, you can go file, build settings, and you can build and run. If you are using the iOS, you can go for iOS and build and run. After that, once you point out the phone's camera towards the image target, you can see the cube overlaid upon the image. So the similar thing it can be done by clicking the play button within the Unity itself and showing the image to the web camera or the camera which is by the default of your laptop. Then you can see the cube overlaying on the image target. Till now we have learned the basics of Vuforia engine, and in the next video we will be looking into the AR application within the watch and how can we build the watch application using Vuforia engine and other aspects. Thank you.